Hello friends, this is Local Guy. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to connect two routers to increase or extend Wi-Fi range. Here I am going to connect two home Wi-Fi routers on one network using wired Ethernet LAN cable. In previous video, I have shown how to connect two routers wirelessly to increase or extend Wi-Fi range. Link is given above on I button and below in the description. By connecting the two routers wirelessly, it's working quite well. But because of so many Wi-Fi signals are there in my neighborhood, my place become Wi-Fi crowded. It's affecting my Wi-Fi router signal. And also there are many walls which blocking my Wi-Fi signal. Because of all this scenario, wireless link between root router and extended router is not so strong. So devices connected to extended router facing speed issues. To overcome these problems, I have decided to connect two routers using wired Ethernet LAN cable. Here I have two routers. Black is my root router, which is TP-Link W8970, and white is extender router, which is TP-Link WR841N. If you have old router, you can use that old router as a Wi-Fi repeater or extender. Here you can see that my internet WAN cable is connected to WAN port. My root router is already configured. Now we will connect one end of LAN cable from root router's LAN port and other end to extender router's WAN port. Remember, do not connect other end of LAN cable to extender router's LAN port. It will not work. We have to connect it to extender router's WAN port only. My root router is already configured and its SSID is Falcon1. Now log in to root router. All details are given under the router itself. Here my login page is http:192.168.1.1. Username admin, password admin. Now under DHCP, go to DHCP settings and enable it. Leave the start IP and end IP address as it is if you do not want to change. So here any device that will try to connect with root router will get IP address from this range only. Here the range is from 192.168.1.100 to 1.199. Now go to DHCP client. From here you can find extender router's IP. DHCP server has assigned IP address 192.168.1.100 to our extended router. You can ping that IP to check the connection using command prompt. Ping 192.168.1.100. You can see that we are receiving the reply. Now going further, we have to configure our extender router. Here I have reset the router so I can show you the configuration from the scratch. First, connect to extender router's Wi-Fi using details given backside of the router itself. Here, extender router's SSID is TP-Link E0FA and pin is 766937779. Connect to Wi-Fi using this pin. Now open login page. Details are given under the router itself. Here login page is http://tplinkwifi.net, or you can also open it using http://192.168.0.1. Enter username admin, password admin. Now go to network and select WAN. Select WAN connection type as a dynamic IP and press detect. You can see that DHCP server of a root router has assigned IP 192.168.1.100 to extender router. Subnet mask and default gateway is also assigned by root router. Now go to DHCP server and enable it. Remember, here IP range subnet must be different from WAN subnet. Here our WAN subnet is 192.168.1.0. We cannot use that subnet, so we have to choose different subnet. Here I have applied 192.168.0.0 subnet. Start IP is 192.168.0.100 to end IP 192.168.0.199. So here any device try to connect extended router will get IP address from this range only. You can see that my laptop got IP address 192.168.0.100 from this range. You can change the SSID name under wireless settings and password under wireless security. Here I have changed SSID to Delta 1. Now reconnect to new SSID Delta 1 using the default pin that is given under the router sticker, because I have not changed that pin. Now check the internet connection, and yes, it is working. If you have any queries regarding the connection, then please ask using comment. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Till then, goodbye, have a nice day.